Hey everyone, well today I'm performing at Daman and I thought of giving a quick room tour of Deltin Daman. So that is my room and it looks fabulous. The view is gorgeous, the sun is about to rise and that's the view guys. It's a swimming pool view. है ना बहुत प्यारा. And let me show you one by one each and every amenity of Deltin Daman. So as I already shown you the view from my window, this is the room. The chair looks absolutely comfy. The murals, it's very spacious actually. As you can see, I can play cricket here. How spacious it is. And it doesn't end. Let's have a view of the washroom. Well, that is the washroom. And that's me. The big and spacious Deltin Daman.